Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is Dogecoin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart, so let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so previously you can see candles went up to the resistance level and now the fall is taking place. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place, and once the breakout happens then candles may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so you can see there is a resistance level over here also. So after the breakout the candles may move to this resistance level first, and if the breakout happens it may move forward to the next resistance level. So currently you can see candles are falling at this downtrend channel pattern. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that previously candles were moving in this channel pattern. So this is the uptrend, and after the breakout now candles are falling continuously. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. Okay, and you can see after this fall you can see candles were falling continuously in this channel pattern. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line, and you can see candles were falling and now it has given breakout, but the candles are moving little sideways now, but complete breakout didn't take place from this channel pattern. If the breakout happens from here, that candles may move to this resistance level. Okay, so until here it may move, that is around 0.14456. in case if it gives a breakout from here, it may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.118828. okay, so the candles may move to this resistance level and then from there the fall may take place. So then you can see clearly there is a resistance over here, so candles may come to this level and then fall may take place. So like this the candles may move, and this will be a support and this will be a resistance. Okay, and like this will move, and in case if it gives a breakout then candles may continue in this sideways channel pattern, and in case if it gives a breakout then it may move to this resistance level, which is around 0.48326, and then fall may take place. If the breakout doesn't happen from this resistance level, then fall may take place, candles may come down support, and then from here the candles may start moving in a upward direction. So this support is around 0.04828, and from here if the breakout happens then candles may start moving in a upward direction. So now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see current price is $0.1077. It is down by 1%. Rank is around 9. Around 2 million users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $18 billion. Volume in 24 hours is 1.86 billion. Total supply is 169 billion, and circulating supply is 169 billion. Okay, so you can see the candles have gone down by 1% in 24 hours. If you go to the chart also, you can see if you go to daily chart also, you can see a little breakout has happened. So after retracement that candles may start moving in a upward direction. So you can see that clearly there is a breakout happened already, so candles may start moving in a upward direction. This you can see in daily chart, but in weekly chart it was not confirming, but daily chart it is confirming, but little retracement of it may, the candles may come down again to the support. This will become like support, this resistance level, little fall may take place, and then candles may start moving in a upward direction. So the candles may come down support and then it may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level. So okay, you can see that very clearly. Okay, and from there the candles may start falling continuously. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.